Hi, this is Patty. Welcome back to our training videos. Today we're going to be talking about the Facebook app in our app selection. So I'm in the editor right now, and you'll notice that on my canvas I put a nice cloud background because we're going to be showing things that are up in the cloud. So we're going to go over to our Facebook app here and just click on it, and it's going to bring up, excuse me, a little call out. You notice the Facebook properties over here. So it's going to give you an opportunity to load up your account. So if you click on the plus button, it's going to ask you, who are you going to go to? And I want to stay with Patty Bernier. That's who I hooked up my Facebook account to. And I have a Facebook page called the Cairo Channel, which is a subsidiary of Realize Displays. So I've already allowed that to come to get added to our account right now. And I'm going to go over to our selection. I'm going to choose my email address for that Facebook account. And then we're going to show messages from that Cairo Channel account. And I'm choosing all recent posts that I've created. And maximum age of messages, I want them to be maybe, it can go up to 7 days if you want. I don't need 100 messages. I don't post to Facebook that frequently. Maybe 10 messages, because this will rotate through, and you can actually add in other Facebook call outs like this too if you want to see more. Right below that, I have a choice of style that we can use. And right now I have the call out. We can change that to Polaroid, which then shows the picture of the post that I also put with my text. This will also, if I hit the scroll button, will go to the other post that I've also posted today as well. When this goes in your playlist, every time the slide loads up, it's going to come up with a new post within those 7 days. The next one I have is a social wall. So these will end up scrolling through. You can set this up so you can have many different posts. You can, as you notice, it's scrolling here. You can also do a big picture. Have one as a big picture, maybe you'll put up another one over here with just the call out. And as I change this out, the other one will come up as well too. I'm going to show the footer, the header, and I'm going to also skip this page when this app is empty. So if there's a day that we don't have a post on it, then we don't need to see this slide. This will just skip through on our playlist. You can put animation on here to have this app swing in or fly in or whatever you would like if you want to add that to it as well too. So that's pretty much how you use the Facebook app. Stay tuned for additional social media apps.